Hi, welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you about some patterns that I've found to make Christmas stockings. So there's a wide variety available for children, adults and even for your dog. So there's a range of traditional through to more fun and quirkier. So there's something to suit everybody. I have spent a lot of time looking through all of the websites and YouTube channels, making sure that all the links work, and I've checked with the people who have made the patterns to check that they're happy for me to share them with you. I've only chosen patterns that have got really clear instructions and are very easy to make, so they should be accessible for any level of sewer. So let's get on and start looking at them. So this one is a very unique design. I've never seen one like this before. It's from a YouTube channel called Emil's Handicraft, a lady called Emil. It's an elf, so it's an elf's legs with an elf's stocking on the bottom, and then like a little skirt, like a little zigzag skirt, and a space where you can embroider your name if you want to. It's fully lined. The instructions are on the YouTube channel, so there's a full tutorial on it and you're able to download the pattern from the YouTube channel. So it's a really sorry it's a really cute and quite unique kind of stocking, this one. I really recommend it. So the next one is a more traditional Christmas stocking design. It's from a YouTube channel called Rosary Apparel, and it is made in very calm soft colours. It's very pretty, and it's got a fold over cuff, and this one has got a hand embroidered initial on the stocking, and it's also shown in a couple of designs where by the second one is made and it's got cute pom-poms added onto it. So it's a really sweet design. Pattern is available on the YouTube channel, so in the description of the YouTube channel, and you can download it from there. So the next one is for any of you dog lovers out there, and this is a Christmas stocking in the shape of a bone. So it's really cute. It's a very simple design, lined. I think as well it would be quite nice if you wanted to add a name onto the stocking as well, the dog's name on there as well. That would be very sweet. So that is from a website called fabriclove.co.uk. They also sell a wide range of fabrics, so you can buy your fabrics from there as well. So a really cute little idea if you've got a dog in the family. So the next one is a really fun one. This is a Christmas stocking that is in the shape of a shark fin. It's really cute. It's like the bottom half of the shark with the fin on the top. It's got a cuff on there, and it's the sample is made in a bright blue fabric, and it's very cute. Really simple to make. It's got a lining, quite a unique idea, really. Very nice. It's available from a website called jennymasterson.com. So the next design is another design from jennymasterson.com, and this one is a mermaid's tail. So very sweet. It looks lovely when it's made in nice shiny shimmery fabric to go with the mermaid theme. Very easy to make. Similar design to the shark tail as well. Both lined. This one's got a cuff as well on the top, and just very cute and very pretty. This one is an elf style stocking. I like the design of this one. It's very sort of tall and slender, and then it's got a real sort of curl on its toe, which is actually made with a little bit of stuffing just to pad it out slightly. It's a cute design. It's from fabriclove.co.uk again, so the fabrics are on there as well, available to buy those. Good size that you can fit quite a lot of presents inside there as well. So the next one is from a website called stacy-lee.com, and it's a quilted Christmas stocking. So it's quite different from all the others because you can use up all of your scrap fabrics and combine them together to get a really unique look. It's a traditional style stocking design. There are instructions on the website, and there's also actually a YouTube tutorial, so you can watch the tutorial as well. Full instructions on the website, and you're able to download the pattern. So a really cute design for you to use.